going to go back now to the lab manual, to page 19, and use the diagram of this apparatus to determine the force on each object. So I'm going to draw it on the board now. We have a meter stick, like so, and this stick happens to be 100 centimeters long. 100 centimeters long. And you have a support at each end. The support at this end is what we're going to call support A, and the support at the other end, we're going to call that support B. Now this object, the stick, has weight, and the weight's in the very center. And it says on the diagram in the textbook that the stick, it has a mass of about 110 grams to be measured. And that comes out to be pretty close to about a little bit over 1 Newton. I'm going to say it's about 1.05 newtons. But you can use your calculator to actually figure that out. And then that's at the 50 centimeter mark. That's where the weight is concentrated. And at the 30 centimeter mark, right here, you have another weight, and the weight is 100 grams. And that comes out to be about 0.98 newtons. And then towards the other end of the stick, at the 80 centimeter mark, we have another weight, which is 200 grams, and that's 1.96 newtons. Now the idea here is to find out the force at either end, the support at A and also the support at B. Well, first of all, static equilibrium, the summation of the forces must add up to be equal to 0. So what are the forces here? Well, we have two upward forces. We have A and B going up. FA and FB, that's going up. And then we have the downward forces, which would be 0.98 newtons and 1.05 newtons and 1.96 newtons. And it has that equal to 0. Now, using your calculator, you can add those up. 0.98 plus 1.96, 1 plus 2 makes 3, and also 1.05, looks like about a little bit over 4. So A plus B will be equal to minus 4 newtons equals 0. So A plus B will be equal to 4 newtons.